Breaking news. Rhondda Cynon Taf has some of the most energy inefficient housing across Wales. This presents a high risk of fuel poverty for residents, but many people would not know that they are affected by the impact of fuel poverty. Fuel poverty can affect anyone at any stage in their life or as a result of circumstances. One of the misunderstood facts is that only households in receipt of welfare benefits can be affected. However, households that are in work but on a low income or households that have had a loss of income can also be affected. A change of circumstances such as a job loss or a health reason can impact on your ability to maintain a warm home. This can be seen even more so currently due to the COVID-19 pandemic, where people are generally spending more time at home, which increases energy bills. Also, if your main source of heating is not gas, you are likely to be more of a risk of households being in fuel poverty. If you spend more than 10% of your net income on energy bills, you would be classed as being in fuel poverty. However, households that spend less than this may still be a risk if you underheat your home or are unable to afford to heat your home to an adequate comfort level suitable to your needs. The majority of housing in RCT are stone-built terraced homes which tend to be less energy efficient than newer build homes. This, coupled with lower income levels, makes residents more at risk of falling into fuel poverty. We can provide you with free, impartial advice on any matters relating to energy at your home, including finding help and assistance that is available to you for your circumstances. You can also find out more information on our web pages. Please contact us, the Heat and Save team, Housing Strategy, Sardis House, Sardis Road, Pontypridd, CF37 1DU. Phone 01443 281136 or email heatandsave@rctcbc.gov.uk.